Make sure she doesn't fall. Get behind her.
Isaac.
Come on.
Stand. Oh, okay. And you just wanted me to be close to her so she doesn't fall.
Yeah, somebody needs to be kind of a little bit behind her.
I'm right here. I'm gonna move up one step every step that you go.
Yep. Hi. Hello. Keep going.
Come on, look, stairs.
That didn't let you do that.
Did you teach her this?
No.
Hey, Isaac, backed up. So we can get her.
Almost there.
I'm tired after this.
She's thinking about it. Isaac, stop. Put your hands off her.
What'd she put in her mouth?
Her
Carpet.
fingers. Couplets?
Carpet.
Oh, couplets.
Isaac,
She's
get
breathing.
that out of her.
Get out of there. Get out of there.